The law in Florida entitles you to the cost of a rental vehicle while they repair your vehicle. Generally, the insurance company for the at-fault party will authorize and get you a rental vehicle to last the duration of the repair.